Hi there.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm fantastic. What about you?
I'm good, thank you. Um, Brijesh, how do I say your name?
Yeah, Rajesh.
Brijesh. Great. My name is Gabby. It's lovely to meet you today. Great. So seeing as this is our first time chatting together, can you just start by telling me a little bit about yourself? Maybe, where you're from, what you do, family life, hobbies, interests, anything you'd like to share.
Yeah, thanks a lot for this giving this opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. My name is Rajesh Yadav. I am from India and I currently living in northern part of India called Uttar Pradesh. And my father is a farmer, so I just have completed my post graduation with English. And after that, I'm just learning English. And as far as my hobby is concerned, I just like workout and walking in nature sometimes, and being with friends and enjoying their gossip is my hobbies.
Okay, great. So then you said you're living in the northern part of India, and what did you say you do for work?
And no, I don't do work. I sometimes help my father in farming.
Okay, in the farming. Okay, great. And so did you study at university?
Yeah,
What did you study at university?
English.
English. Okay, great. And so how long would you say that you've been studying English for? Like since primary school, since high school?
Yeah, after high school, I chose to learn English, and before that, I was studying Sanskrit language rather than English.
Okay, okay, that's quite complicated, right?
Yeah, so that time I thought that we should choose English, uh, except Sanskrit, because in this era there is a lot of scope of English. So
Mm-hmm.
I moved on towards English, and when I got admission in MA, Master of Arts. Since then,
Okay,
since then I started speaking little bit.
okay. Okay,
Yeah,
great. And so what do you like for the future? Do you want to be an English teacher? Do you want to travel and use your English? Would you like to live abroad at some point? Like what is your sort of motivation to keep learning English?
yeah, absolutely. I am burning the midnight oil because I first of all I want to be fluent, and
Okay.
if I will be fluent, yeah, I think I must be a teacher because
Okay.
I like this profession. So yeah,
Okay, cool. And so you say you're burning the midnight oil. What time is it there?
time
Yeah, what time is it in India right now?
uh, it is 8 a.m.
8 a.m. Okay, so you're like 12 hours ahead of me because here it's 8:30 p.m. So you're like in the future for me. Okay, cool. And so you're helping your dad out on the farm. What kind of farm do you guys have?
Friends,
Sorry?
uh, I didn't hear.
Oh, so what kind of farm? You said you help your dad on the farm, right?
Yeah,
Yeah. What kind of farm is it? Like a dairy farm with cows or a crop farm with vegetables?
yeah, yeah.
Crop farm?
Yeah, it's a crop farm and vegetable also cultivated.
Okay, cool. So mostly like vegetables and fruits?
Yeah, foods and vegetable. like wheat and paddy, rice, and many types of pulses.
Okay, great. Okay, cool. And then what do you like to do for fun? So you said you like working out and you like walking in nature and going out with your friends. But do you have anything that you like to just do when you want to switch off, like, watching movies or watching series or reading a book or, playing an instrument? Do you play any instruments?
I don't know how to play instrument, but uh, I I have many instruments in my house. My
Okay.
father's and his friends right now they enjoying because it's a season of holy festival.
Oh, okay. What holy festival is it?
It's a festival of colors.
Okay. I've never heard of that one. And so what happens during the festival? Do you go out in the streets and you have like a party, or is it a lot of music, a lot of like fireworks, or what kind of like what happens during the festival?
The holy festival is tomorrow, and you will find everything tomorrow. In so people get intoxicated, and after that they dance a lot on DJ,
Okay.
with music, and yeah, people eat a lot of sweets, and it's not a festival of firecrackers. It's just a festival of colors. So people apply color on each other. Yeah.
Okay, okay, cool. So that sounds quite beautiful actually to like I guess there's a lot of colors in the streets and a lot of people full of color, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And are you excited for it or are you like, ugh?
Yeah, I am excited for. I am just waiting for tomorrow because on this day people wear own clothes because sometimes people torn each other clothes. So
Okay.
yeah,
Okay, cool. Well, it sounds like it's going to be a lot of fun. And so do you celebrate that with your family or more with your friends or just with everybody?
yeah, just with everybody because whenever you meet with your family or friends, everybody knows
Uh-huh.
it's a festival, so they do a lot of fun, and yeah, we enjoy with everybody.
Okay. Great. Um, Great. And what kind of do you like make special foods for the festival or like any specific dish or any specific like drinks or anything that's particular to this festival that's like I don't know, you know how like on Christmas like I'll have or in the United States in Thanksgiving you have like a turkey, right? Like because you have turkey on Thanksgiving and you have like I don't know pie on the 4th of July or whatever it is. Like is there something specific that everybody makes for this festival?
So ladies mix their favorite food and like papad and chips. They fry
Okay.
a lot. Yeah,
Okay, so do you cook anything or does your mom cook most of everything?
I don't know how to cook any things,
You don't know how to
but
cook anything?
yeah, I don't know to be honest.
Oh, okay, I see. And what's your favorite thing? Like what do you ask your mom to make for you? Like what's your favorite thing that she makes? What is it called?
What is called potato paratha.
Okay. Never heard of that before. Okay, cool. And so that's the festival that's happening this week. And then the day afterwards, does everybody go back to work or does everybody stay home and sleep? Like, is it a holiday?
Yeah, people want to like holiday because when it hangs over and people get their senses.
Okay, okay. So they need to recover, right? They need to recuperate.
So people don't want to go to their job because next day. you can't feel that much good. You feel little bit headache, and something you can understand. Having intoxicated, your body, your mind is not just that much. But yeah,
Sure.
in compulsion, people do their work.
Okay, so maybe just a few people do their work, but not everybody, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And then tell me a little bit about your family. So, are you an only child? Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry about that. It's getting late here, I guess, and my body was like, I need more oxygen. Are you an only child? Do you have brothers and sisters? Do you have any pets? Do you have any like who lives in your who forms part of your family?
Yeah, so in my family, we have two brothers and two sisters. My two sisters are married, and my brother also, but I am
Okay.
unmarried. Yeah,
Okay, so
because
you're the only unmarried one left. Are you the only one left living at home, or do some of your brothers and sisters still live at home?
no, I am lonely with my parents, my father, mother, and uncle, because everybody has my are married too, so I just alone and unmarried too.
Okay, okay, I see. Great, but so tomorrow your brother and your two sisters, they'll come to the house, or does everybody celebrate in their own house?
Yeah, mostly in the festival they come at our house,
Uh-huh.
so they must come. Yeah,
Okay, cool. And do they have any kids? Like, do you have any nieces or nephews?
yeah. uh,
Okay. Me.
yeah, both have child.
Okay, they all have children?
Yeah,
Okay, great. And so are you the youngest of all the brothers and sisters?
yeah, absolutely. I am the younger one.
Okay, cool. And I'm guessing your mom is also, she's not so excited for you to move out, right? She wants to keep you home as long as possible because otherwise she'll have an empty house. Um,
Yeah,
yeah. Okay, cool. And then sorry, and so we were saying also like what you do for fun, like when you just want to relax, like do you watch TV, do you watch any movies, or do you read any books?
yeah. I read book. Actually, when you want to purchase a book, that time you are very excited. So
Yeah.
I do the same. I purchased a lots of book online, but when
Okay.
it come to reading, I
You
just
don't.
skip.
Okay, so you purchased a lot of books, so you have a lot of books, you just haven't read them yet.
Yeah, but when it come to reading, that time I just procrastinate and I go with my friends and watching movies on mobile. Yeah, it's a natural habit.
Okay, 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 I see. And so do you have like a favorite movie or a favorite series that you've watched lately, or a favorite book if you've read any of the books yet?
The book I read like of Swami Vivekananda and Chanakya Niti because
Hmm.
it was very great personality in Indian history and
Okay.
sometime I like high rated book like Rich Dad Poor Dad and yeah like this.
Okay, so mostly like self-help books or books that help you get better at things, right?
Yeah, absolutely. Because I think so by reading book you are can be anything and you can achieve anything whatever you want to do in your life.
Sure. Okay, cool. And so what's the best book you've ever read in your whole entire life? Like if you could recommend a book, which book would you recommend?
So Rich Dad and Poor Dad I read recently. So
Mhm.
I will prefer this book.
Okay, okay, cool. So we only have like 10 seconds left. It was really lovely meeting you today. Keep up the good work, right? Keep up reading and watching movies in English. Like anything you can in English is really gonna help you. So keep that up. Okay.